Hello students, this is Shweta Roy. This video is for chapter 5, part 3, globes and maps. In this video, we are going to discuss about the exercises of the chapter. So first we have the exercise A, answer these questions. So here we will discuss about the question answers of the chapter. The first question is, what is a globe? Why is it used? The answer is, a globe is a spherical model of the earth. It is used because it gives us a fair idea of how the earth looks like. Second question is, what is a map? Name any 3 types of maps. So the answer is, a map is a small drawing of geographical areas of the world on a flat surface. 3 types of maps are climate map, physical map, and political map. Next question is, why are maps preferred over globes? Answer is, maps are preferred over globes because of the following reasons. Maps can be rolled up and carried anywhere, unlike a globe. Globes show larger bodies like oceans and continents quite accurately, but smaller details like villages and towns cannot be shown properly. However, these are visible on maps. Next question is, name some of the important latitudes visible on a map. Answer is, some of the important latitudes visible on a map are as mentioned below. First, Tropic of Cancer. Second, Tropic of Capricorn. Third, Arctic Circle. Fourth, Antarctic Circle. Next we have exercise B, fill in the blanks. Here you can see the first question is, a globe is a dash model of the earth. And answer is true. A globe is a true model of the earth. Second, A dash map shows physical features like mountains and rivers. And the answer is physical. A physical map shows physical features like mountains and rivers. Third is a person who makes a map is called a dash. Answer is cartographer. A person who makes a map is called a cartographer. Fourth is a dash is used to measure distances and locations on a map. And the answer is scale. A scale is used to measure distances and locations on a map. Next, we have some exercise in page number 37. And here you can see the longest parallel is the equator. The longest parallel is the equator. A map is a drawing of a geographical area on a flat surface. Third is state and national boundaries are depicted on a political map. Fourth is the prime meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian. So you can do your fear according to these answers. Now we will discuss about some of the important questions inside the text which is not there in the exercise, but we have that in the text and which is very important. The first question is, what is equator? And the answer is, equator is an imaginary line that runs through the center of the earth. Next question is, in how many parts does equator divide the earth? And the answer is, equator divides the earth into two equal parts, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Next question is, what is a parallel of latitude? And the answer is, a parallel of latitude is an imaginary line encircling the earth and joining all places which have the same latitude. Next is, what do you understand by Greenwich meridian? Answer is, Greenwich meridian is also known as prime meridian, which is an imaginary line for locating places in the east or the west. Next question is, what do you understand by GMT? Why it is called so? So the answer is, full form of GMT is Greenwich Mean Time. The Greenwich Mean Time is called Greenwich Mean Time because the prime meridian passes through Greenwich, a village near London. Next question is, Name a country which lie in Eastern Hemisphere and in Western Hemisphere. So the India lies in Eastern Hemisphere as well as Northern Hemisphere. United States of America lies in Western Hemisphere. Now by this picture we can understand how India is in Eastern Hemisphere and as well as in Northern Hemisphere. So you can see you have 0-degree equator which divides the earth into two equal parts. Upper side you can see Northern Hemisphere. Towards North Pole we have Northern Hemisphere. This whole area is Northern Hemisphere. Downwards we have Southern Hemisphere. So if we take India as per the equator, you can see the India is in the Northern Hemisphere. It is above the equator. It is in the north side of the equator and thus it is in the Northern Hemisphere. Now we will take the prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. So you can see a vertical straight line, vertical standing line, that is the prime meridian, that is 0-degree longitude. Now this 0-degree longitude divides the earth into two equal parts. At right hand side you have Eastern Hemisphere and at west and left hand side we have Western Hemisphere. So if we take according to this 0-degree longitude, we can see the India is in the Eastern Hemisphere. So like this you can locate the India properly with the help of equator and Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. Also this equator is the largest latitude. This is the largest parallel. And if we talk about the meridians are equal in length. All the meridians are equal in length. We have 180-degree we have meridians up to 180-degree in north and up to 180-degree up to 180-degree in east and up to 180-degree in west. But when we talk about latitude, we have latitude till 0-degree in north and till 90-degree in north and till 90-degree in south. So latitudes are till 90-degree and longitudes are till 180-degree. I hope you all understood all the topics taught in this video. Thank you.